5-31. Solve each of the following equations for the indicated variable. Show all of your steps. Okay, so if we look at this one, it's y equals 2x minus 5 for x. So that means we're supposed to solve for x in this case, not y, but for x. Okay, so let's try that for a. We're going to, first of all, recopy down the original problem, y equals 2x minus 5, and we are solving for x. So we need to get x by itself. So the first thing we need to do is to remove this negative 5 here, and we can do that by adding a positive 5 and zeroing this out, and also adding a positive 5 over on this side of the equation. So now on this side of the equation, we've got y plus 5 is equal to 2x, and this is zeroed out, so we don't have to write it anymore. Now we need to isolate the x by getting rid of the coefficient. So this is 2 times x. So we're going to undo that multiplication by dividing by 2. And of course, we have to do the same thing on this side. So over on this side, now we have 2 over 2, which is 1. And 1 times x is just plain x. And then over here, we really can't do much else. So we can just leave this as y plus 5 over 2. I mean, we could split it out, y over 2 plus 5 over 2, but that doesn't really change anything. So we'll just leave it like this. Okay, so let's also do b. So in this case, it's p equals negative 3w plus 9, and we're solving for w. Okay, so let's rewrite the equation. Maybe I should leave a little room on the side here, just in case we need it. So p is equal to negative 3w plus 9. Okay. So we're trying to get the w by itself because we're solving for w. So the first thing we do is undo this plus 9 with a subtracting 9 on both sides. So over here it's p minus 9. Those are the two terms because we can't combine, we can't do anything with these two together because they are different types of terms. And then over here, it's negative 3w, and we zeroed this out. Okay, so now we need to get rid of the coefficient for w, which is a negative 3 times w. So we'll divide by negative 3, and we will divide on this side by negative 3. Okay, so negative 3 over negative 3 is equal to 1. 1 times w is just w. And then over here, we can't really do anything more to simplify this. So we can just leave it as p9 over negative 9.